Hey everyone, I'm Tess. Today in this video, I'm going to share several ways to earn real money as a teenager online. Personally, I had a time when I needed money as soon as possible, and I was genuinely shocked when every website that I'm going to show you actually worked out. The first side hustle I want to talk about today is Cambly. The primary requirement for this job is your English skills. If you keep watching this video, you're probably meet this criterion. Just with using your laptop and your common skills in English, you could be earning $10 per hour. Cambly is an online English tutoring site. The best thing about Cambly is you don't need any certification or formal degrees. The only requirement is your ability to speak English. So what exactly Cambly is and how do you do your work? Basically, you become an English tutor, but tutoring does not involve teaching grammar or structured lessons, and someone in a non-English speaking country wants to practice their English conversational skills, they can sign up for Cambly and have simple conversation with somebody like you. This is a really good opportunity to help others in learning and getting better in their English. But there's something else about Cambly, it's global connection. You get to interact with people from all over the world, each with their own unique cultures and languages. Also, there's always an opportunity for you to tutor someone because Cambly operating on a global scale. When it's nighttime for you, it might be morning for someone else in a different time zone. Payments proceed every Monday through PayPal, ensuring a straightforward and secure transactions. This opportunity is especially valuable for virtually travel, connect with people, and learn about diverse culture, all from the comfort of your home. So if you're a social person, you really should try this method. Today's second way to earn money is an amazing opportunity for anyone who is interested in user-generated content. Join Brands. It's an ultimate UGC content creation app. Join Brand has completely changed the way we use UGC, making it more impactful and accessible than before. The platform is super easy to use and has user-friendly interface. You can make from $17 to $25 per hour. Some gigs might pay more or less depending on the brand and the market. What makes Join Brand stand out of all other UGC apps is easy integration and collaboration, making it easy to connect with brands that you are working with. The main idea of Join Brands is to create content and getting paid for it. You're choosing the project or brand that you want to work with, and after they accept your request, you buy a product which you're going to be promoting. After you complete the job, you get reimbursement for product with a payment for the job. There is a giant variety of product which you could be promoting. The list goes from baby care, health supplies, beauty products, to car supplies, and outdoor games. The price they're going to be paid varies on content type and the product itself. So if you're interested in taking pictures and you would like to make some video reviews, you should really try out Join Brands. The third way for you to make some extra cash is Rev.com. Rev.com is one of the most popular websites to work with when it comes to online transcription gigs. You could be earning $12 per hour for transcription and up to $30 per hour for freelance captioner. The website is pretty much easy to use, so it'll be easy for anyone to get started. And our last option for the day to make some extra money is Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects you offering digital services with clients seeking those services. The estimated total pay range for a freelancer on Fiverr is from $30 to $50 per hour. As a seller on Fiverr, you can create a profile highlighting your skills, expertise, and the services you offer, ranging from graphic designer, copywriting, to programming and digital marketing. Clients browse through a listing and can hire you based on their needs and budget. Fiverr provides a platform for communication, project management, and payment processing. Have an easy transaction between freelancer and clients. To start working there, you just need to sign up and then set up your profile. The first thing I would do is create a gig with your service, and after people who need your service will order your gig. If you have a lot of services which you could be proposed to people, I would recommend you to make several gigs to everyone so they can see your talents and pay you money for it. Alright guys, if you have already tried some of these methods, let me know if you had success or fail. And I'll go prepare some new videos for y'all. See ya!